What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Janelle and it is wash day. So I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine from start to finish. My curly wash day routine, that is. And I emphasize that because I wear my hair straight most of the time, but I do like to give my hair a break from the heat. So this is the routine that I do when I'm giving my hair a break from the heat. I'm using the entire Olaplex line for this wash day because, as you can see, my hair is dyed ginger. It is bleached and dyed, and I use heat. So I want to make sure that I'm repairing the bonds in my hair at least once or twice a month. I'm starting off with Olaplex number 0, and you're supposed to apply that to dry hair, so that is what I'm going to do here. I'm separating my hair into 4 large sections, and then I'm going to go in and separate those large sections into 2 medium sections, and then I'm going to spray the Olaplex number 0 onto those sections. I hope I'm making sense. Hope y'all can follow me here. So I'm going to apply that to my hair until it's kind of damp from the Olaplex number 0. And then I'm going to follow up with Olaplex number 3. So you're supposed to apply this to damp hair. So that's why I thought it was just a good idea to dampen my hair with Olaplex number 0 rather than like trying to wet it with water and stuff like that. I don't know. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but this is how I'm doing it and it worked out pretty well. So while I'm applying the number 3, I'm going to just also kind of finger detangle my hair a little bit because it had been a while since my last wash day. So I knew it was going to be a little tangled and a little dry. So I figured this would help me while I'm detangling in the shower to make things a little bit easier and quicker, if you know what I mean. So as you can see, I'm just applying that Olaplex number 0 to the whole entire section, just trying to get my hair saturated with it, and also finger detangling my hair, and then applying the Olaplex number 3. So I believe Olaplex number 1 and 2 are salon products, so that's why I'm going straight from 0 to 3. So whenever I use Olaplex products, which is not every single wash day, like I said, it's just like once or twice a month, my hair literally feels like it is coming back to life whenever I use these products. No, this isn't sponsored. This is all me. But hey, Olaplex, if you see this, you should sponsor your girl because I'm literally a walking billboard for you guys. So what's wash day without a little karaoke, y'all? Okay, so after about 10 minutes or however long the directions say, I can't really remember right now, but I believe it's about 10 minutes, I'm gonna hop in the shower and wash my hair out with number 4, Olaplex number 4, that is the shampoo. So of course I'm just gonna start by rinsing my hair and completely saturating it with water. Now, shampooing your hair, if you ask me, and probably a lot of stylists, is like the most important part of your routine. You want to make sure you're really getting in there with a good shampoo and just really just making sure that your hair is being cleansed, because clean hair means less buildup, which means your hair can take in moisture more easily. And I want my hair to take in as much moisture as it can. So, and that moisture is the water. So you just really want to make sure that your hair is nice and clean. Because if there is buildup, it will be harder for your hair to take in moisture. And that is something I learned from my professional stylist. So I'm just the messenger. This wash day, we are doing a lather, rinse, repeat because, like I said, it's been a little while since the last wash day, okay? Lathering that up, one thing I love about the shampoo is the way that it lathers up so much. My hair absolutely loves it. It's so good. Okay, so moving on to Olaplex number 5, which is the conditioner. After rinsing out the shampoo, I'm just going to apply that to my whole entire head. And I'm just giving you guys a couple texture shots here, showing you what my curl pattern is looking like after a bleaching and dye session and, you know, pretty consistent heat usage. My curls are, you know, there's some light damage here and there, but girl, I don't even really care anymore, to be quite honest with you. Like, it's just hair. It'll grow back. I can cut it if I need to. Otherwise, I'm child. My hair is doing the best she can under the circumstances. I think she's pretty healthy, if you ask me, you know, considering. So I just detangle my hair using this Pattern Beauty detangling brush. while the conditioner is still in my hair, and I'm detangling section by section. As you can see, when my hair is bleached, my curls loosen up a little bit, so it's a little easier for me to detangle my hair, I'm not gonna lie. Yes, my hair is a little bit drier, but it's also just kind of easier to maintain personally. This is my hair, some more close-ups. I like to show you guys these so that you can really identify whether or not your curls are similar to mine. So I'm just gonna wash that conditioner out and then put my hair up so I can take my shower and then move along to styling my hair. I'm using the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. I'm just applying that all over, not too much. I just apply like maybe a quarter size amount. I don't like to put too much product on my hair anymore. I like to have the least amount of buildup as possible and the most amount of moisture in my hair. So this leave-in conditioner just kind of helps to soften things up, and, you know, it just helps to keep my hair softer for a little while longer, you know. Just parting my hair with a tail comb, rat tail comb, so that when I twist my hair, it'll be a little bit easier. So now we are going to do a twist out. So I am going to separate my hair again into easy to work with sections, and I'm using the DOUX Most Def Texture Foam as my styling agent, I guess. Styling products, boom, there you go. So I kind of like to brush the product through my hair. I know I already detangled, but this just helps to work the product throughout my section so that it just works best this way for my hair. I like to get it all over, you know? And in my opinion, that's how you get the best results. So as you can see, I will spray the section down because my twist outs come out the best when my hair is really wet. So spray my section down with water, add some of that mousse to my hair, detangle the section to spread the product around a little bit and get some curl definition back in there, and then twist my hair down from root to tip. So whenever I'm wearing my hair curly, I'm most likely doing a twist out, or I'll do like a braid out, or, you know, something like that. I haven't done a wash and go in a long time just because I don't have a hooded dryer, and that's the only way a wash and go is gonna work for me, if I have a hooded dryer. So until then, twist outs and braid outs and heat styling. So boom, this is what my hair looks like when I'm all done twisting it. I did leave a little bit of hair out there, but that's okay. So now the next day or 2 days later, whenever my hair decides it wants to be dry, I'm going to pull those twists apart, separate them, fluff everything out. Now my hair is not cut for curly styles. It is cut for straight styles. So I don't really like to wear my hair out curly like this. I'll usually put it in some sort of half up, half down, like today, or a puff of some sort. Like, I'm gonna style it some kind of way because at least on day 1 and 2, my hair just doesn't really look, the shape doesn't look right because it's not cut for curly hair. So this is what we ended up with. This is my curly wash day routine, straight to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave your a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the description box down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.